story of two goats. There was a small village on the river bank. The people living in the village had built a bridge on the river to cross it. But that bridge was so narrow that only one person could cross it at a time. It's just a matter of one day. A goat was crossing the bridge built on the river. While walking on the bridge, he saw that another goat was coming from the opposite direction on the same bridge. Within some time both of them reached the middle of the bridge. Only one goat could cross the bridge at a time. Therefore, both the goats kept waiting for some time for the front goat to step back. But this did not happen. Neither of them moved from their place, but stood stiffly. Then one goat said to the other goat,
"You give me way to go, because I am bigger than you."
At this the other goat laughed and said,
"Ha, ha, ha. You may be older than me, but I am much stronger than you. I will cross this bridge faster than you, so you give me way."
The first goat said,
"I am bigger and stronger than you, so go away."
For some time the two continued to argue over who was more powerful. Then the argument turned into a fight. Both of them started attacking each other with their horns. Gradually their fight escalated. The result was that they lost their balance and both of them fell from the bridge into the river. The strong current of the river below swept them away and ultimately both of them died. After some time, two more goats came walking on the bridge from the opposite direction and started arguing about who would step back and who would give way to the other. This time one goat acted wisely and after thinking for some time said to the other goat, "This bridge is very narrow. Only one person can cross it at a time. If we make the mistake of fighting, we will fall into the river and lose our lives. So let's do this so that I lie down on the bridge, you cross me and go to the other side." The other goat also found this sensible. He agreed with the first goat. The first goat lay down on the bridge and the second goat crossed it and went to the other side. In this way both of them crossed the bridge. Learning. 1. Anger and ego lead to destruction. 2. By working wisely, every problem can be solved.